Sophie, you're sitting up. Sitting up and playing with your panda.
Come here. I'm going to take this back from here. Push you back a little bit. Let's go. Let's sit up. There you go.
Look how big you are versus your panda. Did you just bee-slap panda? Did you just... You like your panda.
Hey, Sophie. Sophie! Sophie! Look over here. Look at that. She sits up.
Yeah.
First time we've ever done that.
Yeah.
Sophie!
Look at you go, little one.
Sophie!
Look at you go. Woo!
Her head's up.
Yeah, good girl.
Sophie!
Good girl.
Hey, you!
Still working on the balance a little.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. You saying hi?
Hi. Hi.
Saying hi?
Man, you're sitting up. That's amazing.
What are you guys doing? She says. What are you guys doing? Yeah. Look at you go.
Woo!
Look at you go. That got a smile. That got a smile.